Canon has once again raised the bar with the new EOS RP, the lightest and most compact mirrorless full-frame EOS camera to date. Full-frame systems have many benefits when compared to crop sensor bodies. These include the ability to shoot with a shallower depth of field for a more professional look with soft, blurry backgrounds. No crop when using wide-angle lenses, allowing you to capture every detail. And better performance in low light, meaning less noise and smoother colors. Previous generation lenses can be used with an adapter or with new RF lenses made specifically for Canon mirrorless bodies. All these benefits come with the RP, but in an easy-to-use body with built-in creative shooting styles. It also features an internal time-lapse function, allowing you to create beautiful, stunning time-lapse videos with ease. For travelers, the EOS RP can be connected to mobile devices for quick sharing on the move. Start taking better pictures in more places with the new Canon EOS RP.